Welcome to Aedon's winter release showcase of our new bank matching rules. Generally, this new feature is used in the middle of a bank reconciliation, so let's start there by selecting our bank account.
To save time, we have already imported the bank statement lines. Let's move into the reconciliation screen for the GBP current account.
Looking at this example, the bank statement line here is for rent, and would usually be on every monthly statement, a perfect example. To start, we're going to click the drop-down arrow and select Create a Rule.
Welcome to Aedon's new bank rule screen. First, let's start by naming this rule, monthly rent. Then, in the next section we will be defining the rule logic. The section here is pulled from the bank statement line item and populated automatically. You can then edit the values in these fields, allowing you to select what the rule logic looks for in a bank statement line, in order to detect a match.
So for example, we could make this rule even more precise by selecting the amount field too. In turn, making the rule logic more precise by only applying to bank statement line items that match the current criteria, and also match £1,250 exactly. By utilizing the matching fields and the operators carefully, you can implement some complex rules to ensure a robust, yet semi-automated reconciliation process.
Now, with that complete, we can define the details of the transaction which will be created when this rule is run. As noted in the description, this payment is to be applied to Verdant Dinner Estates, so let's select the account now.
We have three options for the reference that will appear in the ledger posting: rule name, code, and description. For this example, we're sticking with the default rule name. We can then select the product that we want to code it to. In this case, rent.
And by selecting the product, the rest of the fields are defaulted in automatically. Finally, we can add an internal note for reference. Then, with everything set up, we can now create the rule. Returning to the reconciliation screen, all we have to do now is simply click Yes, as Aedon has detected that the rule we have just created applies to this bank statement line. As you can see, all the information we set in the rule has done all the work for us, so all we need to do is click Reconcile. And finally we can see that this line has been processed as it is no longer in our list, in turn, creating and reconciling the bank payment.
And that's it. So you can see just how quick, easy, and powerful it is to set up your own custom bank matching rules. If you'd like to learn more, please visit Aedon.co or use the links below. Thank you for watching.